Guys, welcome back to my channel. This whole video is purely gonna show you how to get this really natural look where we're not using too much makeup and quite light for the summer, especially now that it's so warm and you don't want to be wearing so much makeup that's gonna make you feel like your face is melting. So we're gonna go ahead and get this look ready, but before we do, please do subscribe, do like and comment, and let me know what you guys think. But without further ado, we'll go ahead and get the look done. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. I'm gonna be using this sun cream that I got from Birchbox, and it's like a sun cream and moisturizer. The only reason I'm using this today instead of my normal moisturizer is because it is so warm and so hot in the UK that now when I'm actually washing my face I can feel how dry my skin is. So we're going to go ahead and just do that just to give us that extra protection and make sure that even on, because it's a natural look and we're not putting too much makeup on, I do not want my skin to be vulnerable. And now then we're gonna grab the number 7 youthful eye serum. I pretty much use this all the time, day and night, for my eyes, because you know, you need to protect them for one, and two, I've got really bad dark circles. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade and my trusty Primark brush. So just brush your eyebrows out, pick some of that pigment up. Do now is we're gonna lightly outline the eyebrows. Pick up my Revolution Conceal and Define and my concealer brush from Real Techniques. So first I'm gonna conceal my eyes to get that color. All I've done is grab my Instafix and matte powder from L'Oreal, from Rimmel, and we're just powdering the eyes. Now, I mean, you can leave it like this, but I want some color, some depth in my eyes, so I'm picking up my L'Oreal Glam Bronze bronzer, and we're actually going to use this. I'm actually going to use this as my eyeshadow purely because it's got a bit of a shine, it's got a bit of glitter, and it's also brown, so it's going to give you that depth. So just pick some of that up on your brush and tap the excess off. Start on your crease. Pencil liner, and I'm gonna pick up my Sleek Noir 289 liner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lash line. I'm gonna be grabbing my 17 lash black 100% greater impact mascara in Blackest Black. Okay, just taking that and just letting that glide over my lashes. And then all I'm going to be doing is taking again that bronzer, bringing that down near my waterline just to deepen the look a bit more further, and then apply some mascara down there as well. Pick up a Morphe brush. We're going to go ahead and do the face. I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Revolution foundation, stick foundation in F4. The only reason I'm picking this up is because, for one, it gives you like a good glow to your skin, and it's not cakey at all. Well, for me it isn't, because I've got more of a dry skin. So for me it works perfectly fine. Then all I'm gonna do is pick up my foundation, my buffing brush, my Real Techniques buffing brush, and just blend that in. My Revolution concealer, and all we're going to do is lightly conceal, so a bit here, a bit here, a bit there on the nose. I'm going to conceal a bit more here because it's ridiculously bad. This weather hasn't worked well for my skin at all. It's just been disgusting, really. Pick up the Real Techniques Beauty Blender again. So what I'm going to do is pick up my Revolution foundation again in F11 as my contour shade. Put that in the contour areas. So I'm going to pick up the Rimmel Instafix and Matte Powder and just powder the whole face. This is the L'Oreal Glam Bronze. I believe it's in 02. Pick up my Spectrum 805 brush, pick some of that up. So I'm going to pick up my Sleek highlighting palette in 032, and I'm going to pick up just a fluffy brush from Morphe and apply some highlight in the inner corners of my eye, just to really bring a bit more glow to my eyes. actually I always pick up my Real Techniques. I think this is a contour brush, and I just apply it here purely because it just applies a really even amount of highlighter and I don't have to worry too much about it. It looks quite simple, quite natural, and you don't need to worry about the eyes looking too much and everything going crazy. So now all I'm going to do is finish the lips. I'm going to pick up my Bourjois Rouge Edition Velvet in 32 and apply that to my lips. This is a matte color, but we are also going to apply something else on top of it. Dry out. Now all I'm gonna do on top of it, because I'm a glossy girl, I love gloss, is I'm just gonna pick up my Kiko Milano in 18 lip gloss, and it's just this really nice lip gloss that tastes and smells of vanilla. Okay guys, so that's all done. I've just put on some earrings. It looks like you're ready to just go out completely natural. The only thing that kind of gives it away that you've got makeup on is probably the lips. Even though the eyes do look a bit tired, it's purely because it's so warm in the UK and I've got so much hay fever. So for me, my eyes do look a bit bloodshot, but I think that's like becoming like a norm in most of my videos. So guys, if you want to see more of these, do let me know. Subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.